Hello everyone, this is Sara, your SPSS mentor, and I welcome you again to my channel. In the previous video, I showed you how to apply reliability analysis in SPSS, and in this video, I will tell you how to read the SPSS output. So, continuing the test I applied in the previous file, I have this output file which I showed you previously in the last video too. The first table in my output file is case processing summary, which shows that I had total 100 responses in my data file and all of the responses are valid and there are no excluded responses, which means that the data I used for the evaluation of reliability analysis for my variable is meaningful and reliable. The next table is reliability statistics, which is the most informative and most important table in this output because it shows the Cronbach alpha value for my variable. So the Cronbach alpha is 0.902, which is acceptable and a very good value because any value greater than zero point 0.7 is considered to be a very good one and acceptable, and if the value of Cronbach alpha is less than 0.06, it is considered to be a poor one and it is not acceptable. So you have to fix things out. N of item shows that I had 5 scale questions for measuring my variable, which was satisfaction with life. The third table in my output is item statistics table, which shows the mean and standard deviation of all the individual scale questions I used for the evaluation of satisfaction of life. So you can see that for the first question SWL1, my mean value is 3.20. For SWL2, it is 3.08. SWL3 has the mean value of 3.29. SWL4 has a mean value of 3.33 and SWL5 is 3.15. This shows that the highest mean is 3.33 for SWL4 and the lowest mean is 3.08 for SWL2. And in the third column, you can see the number of responses, which is 100 in each case. So I had no missing values or no invalid responses. The fourth table is item total statistics, and in this table I am interested in reading the last column, which is Cronbach's alpha if item deleted. It shows that what is the impact of deleting any item, any scale item on the value of Cronbach alpha. So you can see that if I delete item 1, which is SWL1, my Cronbach alpha will be 0.833. After deleting SWL2, my Cronbach alpha value will be 0.873. If I delete SWL3, I'll get the Cronbach alpha 0.877. On deleting SWL4, my value will be 0.896. And if I delete SWL5, my Cronbach alpha value will be 0.872. In my case, I don't need to delete any item because my Cronbach alpha is already very good, which is 0.902. It's greater than all these values. So I'll keep all the scale items for my further analysis. The last table is scale statistics. If you remember, I calculated the sum of the responses in my data file, which I showed you in the last video. So it is based on that column. It gives me the mean of the total. For instance, if I consider this column, it is calculating the mean, variance and standard deviation on this sum. So the mean value is 16.05, the variance is 27.886, standard deviation shows 5.281 and the number of items was 5, because we all know that there were 5 scale questions measuring my variable satisfaction of life. So this is all about reliability analysis. I hope this video is helpful and now you're able to apply the Cronbach alpha in SPSS by yourself. Stay tuned for the next video and take care. Thank you.